Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, temperatures this afternoon about 12 degrees cooler than yesterday when we topped out at 93. So pretty comfortable, and the humidity finally dropping off the second half of the day. Look at the high temps reaching the upper 70s to low 80s, including 81 in Providence, low 80s along the South Shore. I think similar temperatures coming up for tomorrow. I'm thinking around 81, 82 for the afternoon high. The average high temp for this time of year is 83. It's beautiful down in Newport. Skies are clear. It's been holding at 70 now for the last couple of hours. So a nice evening. You don't need the air conditioner. New information on Hurricane Chris. We'll show you the satellite photo in just a second. Not much in the way of rain, meaning widespread, stormy all-day rain. I mean, every now and then, there's the potential for kind of an isolated pop-up summer shower. But as far as any day over the next several being washouts, I don't see that. It's mainly dry. And looking at seasonable temperatures, no extreme heat, even though we were 93 yesterday. Temperatures we're thinking over the next several days are going to be averaging in the lower 80s. The early nights will be in the 70s, though by the latter part of the weekend, Sunday and especially Monday, will start to boost the temperature up again. Skies are mostly clear across southern New England. Here's the wider view, and that shield of clouds on the edge of your TV set is that departing Hurricane Chris. Here is southern New England. You can clearly see the swirl. The Category 1 storm, and while, the structure may be changing a little bit, it's weakened a smidge. The winds now are at 85 miles per hour, racing north and east at 29 miles per hour. Usually when you get to this latitude, the forward motion, they start to accelerate rapidly through the Canadian Maritimes. It'll continue to weaken. So the wave heights, I've noticed some of our offshore buoys, the wave heights have actually been coming down a little bit. But I do say that with caution. More than likely, the surf is still going to be somewhat agitated tomorrow. So some rough surface, some rip currents, even though we noticed on our weather buoys that these wave height numbers have dropped in the last couple of hours. But nonetheless, caution swimming tomorrow in those beaches that are open. Forecast overnight is pretty comfortable under clear skies by 7 o'clock in the morning, starting off in the mid-60s, jumping up to about 80, 83 inland, mid-70s along the coastline. We give it the stamp, the seal of approval. It's comfortable. Temperature's pretty good. Tomorrow evening at 7 o'clock, sunshine, 75, and a nice Thursday night as temperatures slip back into the upper 60s. Tomorrow morning, sunshine, comfortable, initially in the upper 60s to lower 70s. Should make it to about 81, 82 with a cloud-sun mixture tomorrow afternoon. So very comfortable. 7-day forecast. The beaches again are looking good. Plenty of sunshine. The air temperature at 75. The surf is still rough and at least a moderate risk of some rip current. Friday, beautiful. Starts to warm up over the weekend. Thinking the big temperature jump kicks in on Sunday. Should be well into the 80s. And we may be pushing 90 degrees with higher humidity on Monday. And temperatures early next week on Tuesday in the upper 80s. All right, I'm giggling because I have this problem all the time getting on this
Getting into a chair while you're talking?
While I'm talking, that adjusts and spins and moves in 12 different directions.
And they're up pretty high, too.
All right, so bottom line, the weather looks good next several days. Be careful in the water, though, tomorrow.
All right, Tony, thanks. Coming up next on